Hi everyone, welcome to LOPO's channel. Here is Daisy again. It is glad to see you again in today's video. Today, I will teach more printing tips for the patches to you guys. Yes, patches again. Normal details of patches can be reviewed in my last video. Now, in this video, we will focus on designs and printing. Let's go! In the first part, I will use the same design on different patches. In this case, I will teach you how to choose the suitable patch for your items. Let's see what will happen. Now is the first example. I'm using the same design on fabric patches with different results. You can see the smaller design is matched with the white edge and the other one is covered by colors. Both results are good, but I suggest you to do full print design more because it is easier for printing. There is a risk of misprinting for the smaller one. As we know, DTF printing is not suitable to be used in full print design. In this part, we try it on two materials patches. Let's see the result. Now you can see that the design on both materials has a few minor flaws. But anyway, somebody may not care about that. It is not bad, so you can still use DTF printing on full print design. I believe that many people will do logo design for this patch, so I use logo designs to test all patches. We will test the light color logo on patches. You can see darker color patches have a better effect. We will test dark color logo on patches. You can see white fabric and khaki color patches have better effects. We will test the colorful logo on patches. You can see that the results of white fabric and khaki color patches is different from the brown and the black ones. All of them are fine. You can choose the one which is more matching your products. The second part is how we use patches in our real life. I hope my ideas may give you some inspiration. I'm using a sport design to match the 4-letter patch, then peeling the release paper and print it on the cap. The outcome will be like this. Wow, it is really suitable for sports. I designed some cute cartoons for my bag. Then I will print them on my bag after peeling the release paper. Well, my customized bag is well done. You can design your name with some decoration as a name tag and print it on the patch. Then I will print my design on my notebook like this. This is very easy and useful in the office. Look, is that easy to be distinguished from other people's notebook? The 4-letter patch is an extra decoration for our flip leather case. It is quite special, so I do cartoon design with words to match the phone case design. See, it is lovely and have 3D texture on touching. How to make a useful souvenir for your friends? You can do it by yourself. Do a special design and print it on a 4-letter patch. Then just stick it on anywhere you want by using a heat press machine. Wow, your special souvenir is finished! You can also use patches to decorate your denim jacket. Putting them together, it is very cool. A normal use of patches is to match the jeans. You can stick it on the legs, pockets, and waistband. For makeup bag, you can decorate your lovely icon on it by using our patches. Make your own style little bag. Print your restaurant logo on the patch and apron will give different impression to your guests. It is so cool, you can print your logo on the patch and hat and wearing it. Okay, that's all for today's video. If you think today's video is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel or give me a thumbs up. Hope today's video gives you some inspiration on how to do design for the patch. If you have any questions, like templates, designs, and contents, please feel free to contact ourselves through our website below. You will always get reply from us. Join us, let's make life memorable!